Hey guys, it's Alan from Currys, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that we love about the Sage Barista Impress Express coffee machine. First of all, it always gives you the perfect dose for coffee. The assisted tamper does all the work for you, and it allows you to adjust the grind to your taste. Now I'm going to head over to the lab because I want to check this product out in a bit more detail. It's really clever how it always gives you the perfect amount of coffee every single time. It basically learns as it goes, based on the amount of grind used last time to make sure you get the perfect amount next time. All you have to do is press one button and it will automatically calculate and adjust the dose for you. Now, I'm going to make an espresso and show you just how easy it is. Now you've got your coffee, you need to tamp it down. The assisted tamper will do most of the work for you by applying 10 kilograms of pressure. It'll also do the same twist action that you see a professional barista doing. And you can also adjust it to suit your taste and the type of coffee beans you're using. It has 25 grind settings, which means you really can fine-tune it to get your ideal results. If you'd like more information about this Sage coffee machine, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can speak to one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.